Hello, and on today we will be taking a look at Lexi. Alright, this is our second close-up look at Lexi, and Lexi has been upgraded to 2.5. Okay, Lexi has a headlight, which we saw already. Alright, and we saw her cow catcher. She has that. We painted that a little bit. Added some details on her side, on her wheels. Gave her some gold trimmings and stuff. Looks pretty good, right? But also, in the rear, she has a tail light. Alright? Detailed the back a little bit. Buffers. Alright, so that is the 2.5 version of this beautiful engine Lexi, and we're going to have her run around this track at Bendham Docks and maybe somewhere else, and see what you guys think. Okay, let us know what you guys think. Okay, all right, that is Lexi, and she's gonna be off. Okay, here we go. Hello, Lexi. We need someone to take some tankers cars to the diesel works. Can you do this job, please? Puff straight away.